Denmark country occupying the peninsula of Thailand, which extend northward from the center of continental Western Europe, and an archipelago of more than 400 islands to the east of the peninsula. Thailand makes up more than two-thirds of the country's total land area. At its northern tip is the island of Vanzels. This scarce meals separated from the mainland by the lime fissures. The largest of the country's islands are Zealand's scarce meals. Vanzels the scarce meals, along with Norway and Sweden. Denmark is a part of the Northern European region known as Scandinavia. The country's capital, Copenhagen, is located primarily on Zealand. The second largest city, Oslo, is the major urban center of Zealand. Though small is territory and population, Denmark has nonetheless played a notable role in European history. In prehistoric times, Danish and other Scandinavians prefigured European society when the Vikings undertook maritime training and colonic expeditions during the Middle Age. The Danish crown dominated northwestern Europe through the power of Kalmar Union. In later countries shaped by geographic conditions favoring maritime industries, Denmark established trading alliances throughout northern and western Europe and beyond, particularly with Great Britain and the United States. Making an important contribution to world culture, Denmark also developed human governmental institutions and comparative non-violent approach to problem solving. Denmark is attached directly to continental Europe at Zealand 42 miles boundary with Germany. Other than this, connecting all the frontiers with surrounding countries are maritime, including that with the United Kingdom. To the west, across the North Sea, Norway and Sweden lie the north, separated from Denmark by sea lines linking the North Sea to the Baltic Sea. From west to east, these passages are called the Skagerrak, the Kattegat, and the Sound. Eastward is the Baltic Sea, lie the Danish island of Bornholm. In most of Denmark, the soil rests on glacially deposited gravel, sand, and clay, under which lie ancient chalk and limestones. The subterranean limestones result in a formations of the soils with calcium, which damaged and value for agriculture when it was first brought under cultivations in Neolithic period. Through millennia of cultivations, however, the soil improved greatly so that more than half of the land surface is excellent for farming. In prehistoric times, before fields were cleared for cultivations, much of the land was covered with a deciduous forest of oak, elm, lime, and beech trees.